Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Update the Instagram app and sign into the account you plan to use. Once done, check that your account isn't restricted and meets basic platform requirements, because Instagram can hide live for suspended or new accounts. Next, grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions in your device settings so the app can access hardware. These steps remove common blockers. Do them now so you don't waste time troubleshooting deeper issues later. Now work inside the app to reveal the live option. Open Instagram's camera, swipe to live, and check the settings menu for broadcast limits or audience options. If live is missing, clear the app cache or log out and back in to force a refresh, because temporary data can hide features. Also switch networks, use Wi-Fi versus mobile data, since some networks or VPNs block RTMP-like traffic. After changing these settings and networks, try starting a short test broadcast to finish by taking definitive steps. Update your device OS, reinstall Instagram, and reboot, because corrupted installations often prevent feature access. Make sure you check your account notifications for any messages from Instagram about restrictions. Resolving those restores live. If live still won't show, document the issue with screenshots and app logs, then contact Instagram support and include device model, OS version, and steps tried. One key tip: if broadcasting fails after enabling live, try reducing camera resolution or switching to front camera to isolate hardware limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.